Dodge Tradesman.
On HDub50.
Alright! Welcome everybody back again at HDub50. Boss 1, Boss 2 over here, and Boss 3 is with us in spirit. So here we are. We're going to show you this Tradesman. I've never seen it. This is going to be a surprise for me.
Yeah.
So let's just get into it because I cannot wait, Alexi.
So
I have more patience.
this is a Dodge. It's not a Mopar, but Boss 3 was a Mopar fan, right?
Yeah.
So, but he would have liked this one, I believe. And we say Boss 3 is with us in spirit because he had passed away in June.
Yeah.
June 8.
I think so. It was all of it. It was real sudden too, man.
Yeah.
You know, like there was no indication of anything, and he just, you know, I was talking to him on that day, and we were like, "Hey, man, you want to go hang out?" He was like, "Yeah." He goes, "I'll call you when I get back," and then I fell asleep when I called him, you know, by answer, and then next thing you know, the next day, found out what happened. I was shocked.
Yeah. So here I know he really wanted this one because Boulevard came out with a Dodge van.
Yeah.
And I have it in the garage, in my storage, and that was supposed to have been for him.
Ah.
So here it is. We're going to do the great reveal because this is going to be the first time Boss 2 is seeing this one.
The box is even cool.
Yeah, this reminds you of the 70s, right? Because as soon as you take a look at it, it's going to scream 70s.
Oh wow.
Look at that.
Wow, that's way nice.
Yeah, but see what Boss 2 doesn't know is we're gonna blow his mind right now.
Okay.
Because I'm gonna open this. Oh look, it's numbered.
Oh wait, no way. What is it, number 2?
1996 out of 30,000. Oh, 96. The year I graduated.
96. I wouldn't open that.
Well, I already opened it, so.
Oh, okay. But there's no seal on it, though, right?
No, those are protected by the no audits one. No seal. Oh, I'm gonna pop this. Okay, folks, it's a dead screen right now, but
yes,
I'm off screen trying to pop out this display case.
So right now he's trying to. Boss 1 is trying to open that thing because
I got it about this far.
we gotta see it what it looks like without the case. Sometimes when there's like a casing or plastic in the way, it kind of dulls down the actual chrome, the shine.
This side is on good.
Yeah, the guys they made them in Malaysia and pound them in real good with glue.
Maybe we can just pause. Okay, so here we are back.
Yes.
Now that took 4 or 5 minutes for me to get open.
Yes,
And,
a lot of F-bombs.
And
Look at the damage that was caused.
a scratch. See that right there.
Oops. Oh man, that's a gouge.
Yeah. But it's 1996. I wouldn't have got rid of it anyways.
Yeah, you keep it down. I would.
Yeah. So I'm gonna move this here because.
What are the odds you get a number that has some type of significance, some personal significance for you, right?
For me.
Now the doors don't like open.
Okay, so now let's open those doors.
I can't get over that color. Look at that color, but that's so dope, man.
Okay. We'll switch to the close-up now. So this car did come out a while ago, and we weren't filming in person.
Yeah.
And we were doing it virtually up until that point.
Look at that. That's
yeah. Look at that sunroof.
That is lip smacking right there, bro. Even the interior is a violet.
Yeah. And look at the detail inside the doors.
Oh wow, curtains.
Or padding.
Padding.
Inside padding, right? So growing up, my dad had a panel van like this.
Wow.
He had a 40 Econoline.
That's two significance for you then.
And it had no windows like this.
Wow.
I think the side doors had windows.
That could be made after your dad's van, bro.
Yeah. Well,
did he have the teardrop window?
I think his was either the Chevy van or the Ford van.
Oh.
It was a column shift. Center mounted engine, because before car seats were required, I sat on the engine.
Yeah.
That's not that long ago, okay, folks. It was the 80s, early 80s.
Way back when, I could remember there was a man named Boss One.
Oh, look, that actually is a bed in the back because there's pillows.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Let me see if I can zoom in the close-ups. Yeah, there's pillows on that back seat, on that bed. And it looks like it's got a bed spread on it. I know you can't see it because I'm at the close-up, but I'll zoom out for you.
So that's what that is. That's a bed, not a... Oh, okay,
Yeah.
got it.
And then if you go, let's go to the close-up again. Go look inside the side door. You have a couch in the back, up against the driver's side of the car. Still got that padded interior on the doors, and what looks like curtains.
Yeah, see, I know. It looked like curtains on the window.
Oh no, on the separation between the
Oh,
front
there's
and
curtains.
back,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Let's see if we can see from the back. Sorry, I'm trying not to.
We're checking it from the back.
Make it any worse.
All the...
Oh yeah, those are curtains.
yeah.
Wow,
So you
that
get
is
privacy.
really cool.
It's real detailed. I just really dig that purple, man. Oh, that is cool.
Yeah.
You know, we bash Hot Wheels only because of the stupid wheels that we don't like.
Yeah.
But when they start making stuff like this, bro,
Oh yeah.
these guys are unmatched.
Yeah,
So-
we don't forget to give props when
exactly.
when the proper
Yeah.
accolades are there.
Then we
do
will
it.
give it.
But if you put meals on the next one, you're going to
Oh yeah,
get
you're gonna get
bashed.
problems. We're just gonna rip you, bro. You're gonna get 2 new ones, bro. But you know what? I think when they do this, Mr. Mattel is like, you know what?
Yeah.
Just put the other, just get rid of the Neos. I don't like HDub50 guys. You know, talk smack.
Because they will.
Like that really happens. Let's see if who that? What is that? That's these guys with a small channel.
Really, really small channel.
But no, like you know, like look at the kind of stuff they put out, man. So because we know what they can do, when they, you know, we're used to this high end standard. So when they come out with something high end like this, especially RLCs, you know what I mean? It's a red line club. It's a specific club. This is not an everyday. It's not Ghetto Mobile or anything like that. So when something comes up like this, we expect quality.
That's gonna be our club. Ghetto Wheels.
Ghetto Wheels, yeah.
Yeah.
GTO wheels.
4 wheels, no match.
Yeah. But that is nice. I like that. And I like the fact that both doors open up. Too bad the front doors never open.
Yeah.
Or you know what would be cool if the front door opened or the whole front tilted. That'd be dope.
Like the hood.
Yeah, that'd be cool. But you know, just like this, I mean, the fact that they match the interior as well as the exterior, and this time they got nice rims, like how, because no real van is going to have Neos on it. They would just get punched in the face.
Yeah, and in this case, that big wheel, small wheel combination, this is actually what you would see on the road.
Yeah,
Exactly.
especially
like
for
this.
this year, this type of year when this stuff came out with. I believe that's teardrop window, right? So that was really popular back then, right? So that's how it was: big in the back, small in the front.
Yeah. Now, the only other colors that I would like to see on this is those 70s color schemes.
The psychedelic stuff.
The 2 colors, the ones, the flowers, or the 2 tones, like the brown and yellow, or the
like that, like if they was to give Jerry Garcia the gun, and a whole slew of colors, and this time, brother, go to work, and I
wanted to save this video for when we were together to talk about it, because I know that this one was going to be a good.
Oh yeah, I mean, just look at, and plus it's numbered too.
Yeah.
Nowadays, Hot Wheels aren't numbering a lot of their items now.
Yeah, which is a pleasant surprise.
Yeah, so the fact that it's numbered, even at 30,000, because there's probably way more than 30,000 members.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But you know,
well, Oh yeah, that's true. There's probably more than 30,000.
There's probably more than
I was like,
30,000.
but you can't. I thought it's capped at 30,000. But no.
No, yeah, there's probably more, and I'm sure. And even though people have more than one account, there's still more than 30,000.
Yeah.
So the fact that they numbered it is cool because people like when it's numbered.
Yeah.
It helps the collectability. It makes the customer feel better because when you number something, it means that you can't go over it. Therefore, the collectability of it and the rarity of it will even at 30,000. Like I said, I'm pretty sure you took a poll. There's more than 30,000 people that collect Hot Wheels.
Yeah.
So what I mean.
Of course.
Yeah.
So worldwide.
Yeah, and when you number something like this, it kind of makes it more. It kind of validates the price and the collectability and the essence of the name. RLC.
Yeah.
So you got to do it. So when you do something like that, you're gonna make it elite. Do it all the way. Don't half. I'll call it. I could say ass, right? Yeah. Okay. So
He just did.
yeah. Here at HDub,
it's not for us. It's the kids that watch.
We're stupid. So
yeah. Since
kids,
the
don't
kids,
repeat this.
The kids that make these
Yeah.
are watching.
Yeah.
Fact checkers, it's just a joke.
Yeah, it was just a joke.
Poor one, but it's still a joke.
Yeah, I just said half donkey. So hey, same thing, But
It's not an earthquake, folks.
it's just my fat arm on top of the thing again because I keep forgetting.
Oh yeah, it's also not level on there.
Oh, but it's nice, man, and it's purple. And plus, to look at the inner box, man. I mean, they did up the inner box. So that's cool. Let's get the inner box up in there.
Yeah, I believe this is a Brandon Vituski also.
Getting designed it.
See, and so I think all RLC should come out like this in the future. They shouldn't be in blisters. They should just be in boxes like this already. So once you buy something, elite like that, you can just boom, unbox it and just put it right on the shelf or your showcase. It's a lot better this way. Plus, I'm gonna make Hot Wheels work for their money now. Oh, now we're gonna spend more money.
Yeah.
Do it this way, but don't charge us more.
Yeah. I think coming out with the purple was with the first color. I think was a very, very good decision.
I think because this style of van, the way how this is, just the simplicity of it and the cleanness of it, it's clean. The lines are clean. Everything is clean. This would be good in that Boss Mustang blue.
Oh yeah.
And this will also be good in a nice gold, like the blonde gasser.
Oh yeah.
Or a nice
convention yellow.
Yeah. Or a nice ooh.
Convention yellow, maybe.
The skyline everybody wants. Or even a green. A nice.
That's a preview, folks, for the next video.
There you go. The one everybody wants to buy, but you don't want to sell.
Yeah.
I wouldn't either, man. I mean, you got the thing for like $2. Oops. Did I just say that?
$2 times 20.
Yeah. All right,
so
folks.
yes, folks. Come back for the next video. We'll go over what why we're showing this one and this one.
Yes.
We're showing that yellow skyline in this video.
All right, everybody. So we're done for this video right here. I'd like to thank everybody for coming on and checking us out. Much appreciated. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell all your friends, family, and coworkers, and don't forget tell them on a poll, man. Everything about this. We're on Instagram, we're on Facebook, and we're also on the Locals channel. So go hit us up, and over there, you got anything to comment? Hit us up. We'd like to hear from you. All right, HDub50, Boss 1, Boss 2.
Links in the description.
Hey, don't go yet. For our new viewers, check out our end screen where you'll see our previous video, a video YouTube thinks you like, and a link to our second channel.